Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about biological method. Class 9, Chapter 2, Solving a Biological Problem, Lesson 1. Biological method. The method used to solve biological problem is called biological method. Biological method has contributed to the advancements in medicine, ecology, technology, etc. In solving a biological problem, biologists take following steps: recognition of biological problem, observations, hypothesis formulation, deductions, experimentations, summarization of results, create tables, graphics, etc., reporting the results. Number 1, recognition of the biological problem. Biologists adopt biological method when they encounter some biological problem. A biological problem is a question related to living organisms that is either asked by someone or comes in biologist's mind by himself. Number 2, observation. Observations are made with 5 senses of vision, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Observations may be both qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative are those observations that use measurement tools, while quantitative observations use our senses. Quantitative observations are considered more accurate than qualitative ones because they are invariable and measurable and can be recorded in terms of numbers. Number 3, formulation of hypothesis. Observations do not become scientific observations until they are organized and related to a question. Hypothesis can be defined as the tentative explanation of observations is called a hypothesis. A hypothesis should have the following characteristic. It should be a general statement. It should be a tentative idea. It should agree with available observations. It should be kept as simple as possible. It should be testable and potentially falsifiable. Number 4, deduction. In the next step, biologist draws deductions from hypothesis. Deductions are the logical consequences of hypothesis. For this purpose, a hypothesis is taken as true and expected results. Deductions are drawn from it. This involves the use of if-then logic. For example, if birds have wings, crow is a bird, then crow must have wings. Number 5, experimentation. Basic step of biological method. Biologists perform experiments to see if hypotheses are true or not. The deductions which are drawn from hypotheses are subjected to various testing. By experimentations, biologists learn which hypothesis is correct. The incorrect hypotheses are rejected and which proves correct is accepted. Number 6, summarization of results. Biologist gathers actual quantitative data from experiments. Data for each of the groups are then averaged and compared statistically. To draw conclusions, biologist also uses statistical analysis. What is control in experiments? In science, when doing the experiment, it must be a controlled experiment. The scientist must contrast an experimental group with a control group. The two groups are treated exactly alike except for the one variable being tested. The group in which independent variable is changed is called X experimental group, while the group in which independent variable remain constant is known as controlled group. Number 7. Reporting the results. Biologists publish their findings in scientific journals, books, talks at national and international meetings, seminars at colleges and universities. Publishing of results is an essential part of scientific method. It allows other people to verify the results or apply the knowledge to solve other problems. Theory and law. In the next step, when the reporting results are taken right, then it becomes as theory, or the hypothesis that stands the test of time, often tested, never rejected, or called theories. A theory have chances to be falsified, example, Lamarck theory, etc. If a theory continues to be supported by experimental evidences, it becomes a law or principle. A law is universal, never be falsified. Example, Mendel laws of genetics. इल्म में इजाफे की दुआ रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा है रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel Science Kick. Allah Hafiz.